I get a lot of questions about what should I do if I'm injured in a work-related accident. We handle workers' compensation cases all across the state of Indiana. There's three things that you're entitled to if you're hurt while working. First, your employer or its workers' compensation carrier must pay for all of your medical treatment. There's no copays, there's no out-of-pocket, there's no expenses to you relating to medical treatment when you're hurt while working. The second thing that you're entitled to is lost wage pay. We call that disability pay or temporary total disability pay. You get the temporary total disability pay for as long as you're off work completely or off work with some restrictions that your employer cannot accommodate. So in other words, if the doctor puts you back to work with no lifting over 10 pounds and your employer doesn't have any work of no lifting over 10 pounds, you will continue to stay at home, recover, and receive that disability pay. The disability pay that you do receive is at 2/3 of what your weekly gross earnings were, so prior to taxes. So if you were earning $600 a week prior to paying taxes, your disability pay will be $400 a week. Now, the disability pay that you receive from the workers' compensation carrier is tax-free. So it's almost as if you're earning your gross wages and paying taxes on, but not quite. So the first thing is you get all your medical treatment paid for. The second thing is you get your disability pay when you're off work completely or off work with restrictions your employer cannot accommodate. And the third and final thing that you get is a settlement based on how good or not so good of a recovery you have. This is typically based on what we call an impairment rating that is assigned by a doctor. It's extremely important to consult with a workers' compensation lawyer who is familiar with these types of cases, what type of pay is involved, what type of impairments are involved, to make sure that you get the best possible recovery under the Indiana Workers' Compensation Act.